Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful little mulberry for you today. So this is the Mulberry Sadie in the little card wallet version, and I love the Sadie. The Sadie is kind of a relatively new design from Mulberry, but I really like it. I just think it's super cool, it's timeless. I think it's up there with all of those kind of Bayswater, the Alexa, all of those classic Mulberry designs. The Sadie is definitely up there with those, and in this little card wallet version it is just gorgeous as well. So I'm going to talk you through the features of it. So we've got one little zipped pocket along the back of here, which can be used as a little coins wallet or something like that. Let me just pop that card out, I'll show you that in a minute. And then we've got a flap closure, and I'm just going to show you that Sadie design on the front, so you can see you've got the mulberry all through there. It's just really cool. I think it's a little bit more, Mulberry's definitely very classic and simple, and it isn't not classic, it's still very classic, very timeless, but just something a little bit more interesting, a bit more cool. We've got the flap closure, magnetic fasten, and inside here, so it's leather all throughout, and we've got two compartments, so one just there and one at the front as well. It's in excellent condition, so it is pretty much brand new. It looks like it has been unused. There is no wear at all for me to show you. Gorgeous oak coloured leather, gold hardware is all perfect. So the exterior, interior and hardware we have called excellent condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Mulberry product tag with all those details on there. And then we've got the Mulberry gift box as well. So it'd make a very nice little gift to somebody special, or a gift to yourself as well. If you'd like to see if it's still available, go to the link in the description below. That link should take you straight to this. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that means that this has sold. But we have a request list. So if you've been looking out for one of these, let us know by email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll get you on the request list for one of these, and as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. While you're on our website as well, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, especially because you will get your welcome discount code, so don't miss out on that. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any gorgeous bags or gorgeous little wallets and purses like this one that you're looking to sell. And we'll see you very soon with some more.